Did all of those sneak peeks whet your appetite for even more SheetLoad of Cards inspiration? Then you're in the correct place. Hello, crafty friends. My name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Those cards that you just saw were created by my fabulous team members using the latest SheetLoad of cards for June 2026. Many of you might have already hopped around to their channels to see what they created, but if you have not, I will be sharing a look at each of their sets in today's video. And then when you're done, I highly encourage you to go check out any of them you have not already watched, smash the like button, and left some love in the comments of. Everybody's channel is linked in the description box below, and at the end of this video, I will have a link to the June 2026 playlist, which is your one-stop shop for all of their videos. And don't forget, if you want to show us your SheetLoad, you can share online or send in a card for the end of the month video. I will have that Show Us Your SheetLoad Guidelines video linked in the description box below. I just love to see what you're creating as well. If you don't yet have the free printable so you can make a SheetLoad of your own, make sure to check out the debut video, which is linked in the description box below, and I tell you how you can download the PDF. Also in the description box is a link to my process video where I show you how I made my first set and give many tips and alternatives along the way. Let's go ahead and take a look at all of the cards my creative team made this month. Up first today is Lauren, who shares over on the Lauren Taylor Made YouTube channel. I am absolutely in love with the cute scenes she has created on each of those focal points. Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts made a set of birthday cards this month that really shine. If you have not yet checked out her video, you must, because this picture does not do all of the foiling justice. Carmen from the Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel also created adorable scenes on her focal points. I especially like how she turned some of them upside down. Make sure to check out her full process video, which you can also find in this month's playlist. Chelsea, who shares over on the Creative Chelsea YouTube channel, has created a set of beautiful floral cards this month. I am loving her ribbon and flower on the focal point and how she has also torn the little paper strip on that piece. Ashley from Mint Twist Cards has once again created a SheetLoad of birthday cards. I'm loving how she used the same pattern papers on top and bottom and the layered elements she made for her focal points. This set of cards, which was made by Reagan of the Uniquely Reagan YouTube channel, has me all ready for some cool summertime treats. I'm loving the gingham with the pattern paper and each of the little cool treats she has next to her focal points. Justine from the Stationery by Justine YouTube channel really scored with her set of cards. I love the fun sporty theme and those pattern papers she paired together. This next set of cards was created by Yvette from the Yvette Olea Creates channel, and you might recognize it from this month's thumbnail. She has me feeling all patriotic and ready for the 250th birthday of the USA. Don't you just love this birdie-full set of cards from Beck Ann of the Beck and Sam Crafting Fun YouTube channel? I certainly do, and especially how she has used that bird cage in place of the arched rectangle focal point. The cards that Letty from Party Planner Paperie created using the June SheetLoad of cards would be perfect for any occasion. I'm loving those papers and the element clusters she put together. Was that not another fabulous showcase? If you agree, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and then go visit everyone else's videos, and please do the same. I know that they would love that. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.